You're one driver, right? You pick up 2 passengers at Old Habour, 2 at Spanish Town, and you drop 2 at Half a Tree. What color is the driver shirt?
Pink.
Eh?
Pink.
What make you say that?
Woman bump and then pink tight. Nice.
Don't ball to me! Cry to God! Cry to Jesus! Wagwan peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel. Back at it again. Yo, oh, we are go so hard. Oh, we are go so hard, people. Watch out, people, you don't know from the look of it, you don't know so where they are all about right now. You get to me and say, so watch out, this man will make it up. Pan trending, I see the 2 last video them was drop. One the 17, one the 19. People, we are go ball to God if you don't like the video. Like the video, no, man. Big up, big up. Like the video, no, people, because you don't know the trending. You see me, it a push me to go out more. You get to me and say, me I go ball to you if you like the video. Watch out, people, I don't know where they are all about the vibes nice and the vibes right. So watch out, but if I got itch. Yo, big up yourself in my general. Yeah, so watch out the peeps. Buhn. You know me I gotta say this again, you know. Me not go again say this time. I will show you if I go. That way, yeah. Alright, that's how I hurt my boss. You know, so me not follow Buhn around. That's okay. All about with the people, all about.
Boy!
Oh, go on, big up, big up, big up.
Boy, when the thing gets in the thing. Boy, that is the thing.
Alright, my G, so you don't know the first thing more you do, just give me a name.
Antonio Winter.
Name one chain, you know.
Milton.
You know my name is Papito.
Me a Wingy, man.
Wingy?
Otherwise know the Hangazak.
Angazak.
The original.
Oh, you get that name then?
Aye?
Oh, you get that name then?
People give me it, so me have to take it.
Yeah, man, a Sean, man. You see me as up top 6 boss. You see me? Yeah, Baba Bling, you know.
You know, say, I not remember my name because from born I never know my mother. Adapt me. So you say name I get, I not really know say from my name. You know.
So what name will you get?
My name Kellogg's.
Eh?
Kellogg's.
Kellogg's.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Tug man, Garfield Tug man.
Sideway.
Sideway? Mm-hmm. Oh, you get that name then?
I give myself that name there.
Victor.
Vina.
Victor and Vina?
Yes.
Brother and sister?
No. Friends.
Dojan.
Jeffrey, you know.
Yeah, Rambo, Industry Jewelers on Instagram. Me I big up Savage Lifestyle, June the 3rd. Remember the party of the Lord.
But Sean.
Chase. Chase?
Yeah.
Which wheel on the car, you see me? Never touch the ground.
None.
Eh?
All will touch the ground.
All will touch ground, man.
Which wheel on the car never touch the ground? Alright, I would say every wheel touch the ground.
Every wheel touch the ground? Every 4 wheel touch the ground. You ever see a car drive on 2 wheels? No!
Every wheel touch the ground. Every wheel touch the ground.
Which wheel on the car never touch the ground?
A spear.
Which wheel on the car never touch the ground?
The same wheel, that under wheel. No, it ain't no bottom, nothing. No, it ain't nothing with no bottom, nothing. This one under wheel, under the car.
What that name?
Car. No, it ain't no bottom, under the car.
Every wheel touch the ground. You must see steering wheel, brother. 1 3 that, man.
Steering, yeah man, the steering.
Wheel and the car never touch the ground. And steering.
Spear wheel.
Steering wheel.
Which wheel on the car never touch the ground?
The wheel on the car never touch the ground. The spear, man, the one that car, man, the steering wheel, man.
What?
You don't touch the ground.
Or spear wheel.
Steering wheel, no. Steering wheel. That's a spear, right? Steering wheel.
Yes, I'm going to give you the answer. You know. You want to try again? Give the answer.
Yeah.
The steering wheel, man.
Steering wheel.
If you give up, I want to give you the answer.
Yeah, more you give me the answer.
The steering wheel, man. Next one, right? Which is heavier, a pound of cotton or a pound of stone?
Pound of stone.
Why?
Because stone heavier than cotton. Cotton light, stone heavy.
Which is heavier, a pound of cotton or a pound of stone?
Pound of stone.
Why you say that?
Well, you see stone heavy and cotton lighter.
I want to squeeze your blood throat.
Which is heavier, a pound of cotton or a pound of stone?
A pound of cotton or a pound of stone? Well, from my point of view, I say the pound of stone is heavier.
What make?
Because the stone is heavier than the cotton. A pound of stone is heavier than a pound of cotton.
I want to squeeze your blood throat.
Eh?
What heavier, a pound of cotton?
None of them are heavy, I know.
How you get that?
They pound of cotton and pound of stone. No, the same pound?
Something wrong. Pound of cotton and a pound of stone, or what? Nah, man, I must say pound of stone, brother.
Which is heavier, a pound of cotton or a pound of stone?
None. None of them.
Quick and fast.
None of them.
Eh?
None of them are heavy, none.
How is that sure?
Eh? Pound of feather and pound of leather, I said weight by a pound.
Alright, I would say same way a pound of stone. Because from my point of view, a pound of stone is heavier than a pound of cotton if you weigh it. Right?
Yeah.
So I would say the pound of stone.
Boy, if you don't get...
No heavier, man. I see 1 pound, man.
Pound of stone and cotton.
Which one is heavier, a pound of cotton or a pound of stone?
Which one you put in the scale first?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Cotton. The cotton.
Which one you take out last?
Stone.
So how you know it's heavier?
So you have to tell me, man, which is heavier, a pound of cotton or a pound of stone?
If you don't put the two of them in one time, you're going to say heavy.
But which one of them heavier?
None of them heavier than none.
A pound of cotton or a pound of stone. Much is stone.
Why?
It's stone heavy and the cotton. Yeah.
What you say, Mom?
They say it's stone because stone more heavy, cotton light, so you never even get a better weight. The stone give you more weight than the cotton.
Which is heavier, a pound of cotton or a pound of stone?
That was the stone with a
Why?
cotton and a weight.
Eh?
Cotton light.
So you say stone?
Yeah, brother. Stone.
Eh?
What is it? Pound of what?
Pound of cotton or a pound of stone? Which is heavier?
Yeah, stone you stick to there.
Stone?
Now, the stone was heavy, I can't have, cotton light.
Same.
What do you mean?
It's the same as both a pound.
You're a bus driver, right? You pick up 2 passengers all over. You pick up 2 at Spanish Town. And you drop 2 at half a tree.
Yeah.
What color is the driver's shirt?
What that name is incorrect in our questions.
What do you say?
But that they part in describing our question still.
Driver shirt.
Yeah.
No, I'm not going to say no color, because I know I no color.
Brown.
What make you say that?
Because him shirt a brown. Because he has on a brown shirt.
The driver?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you know, say that brown shirt in my van.
I just... Because me know, because me not the boss.
Blue.
Why you say blue?
Because I know blue and normally driver color
Yeah.
for the shirt.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Just like that.
You're right, you know, but you're wrong, but you're right. Because here one now, you are the driver, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? So what color the driver shirt? You are the driver. But when you look at your shirt blue.
That's right.
Eh?
What color is the driver shirt?
Jet black.
Jet black. Oh, you know that?
Then you wear me a wear?
Eh?
Then you wear me a wear? I wear me a wear now, so I know so I must, but jet black.
Oh, so jet black this?
No, this different.
Oh.
But where me that go and pick up them people there from next
them,
never.
Them time there.
Yeah, a jet black.
You never tell me you drive a shirt, brother. You tell me they pick up 2 people. I don't know about that.
What color is the driver shirt?
You shirt to me have on now.
Sure to me have on, man.
Yeah.
Sure to me have on, man. Whether.
You are a driver, you know? You pick up 2 passengers at Habour, 2 at Spanish Town, and you drop 2 at Half-a-Tree. What color is the driver shirt?
The color, same color when I have on, you never change the color in shirt.
So what color?
You never change the color.
So what color? So
You
what
never
color?
change the color in shirt. I same shirt in your van. You not change none at all.
What color shirt?
You don't have on a color shirt.
Blue.
How make you say that?
Well, no, if I drive them drive it in a blue shirt. Yeah.
What you say, Mums?
White, because a lot of them wear white and blue.
You're a bus driver, you know?
Yeah.
You pick up 2 passengers at Habour,
Yes.
2 at Spanish Town, and you drop 2 at Half-a-Tree.
Yeah.
What color is the driver shirt?
You drop 2 Half-a-Tree. What color driver shirt? Half-a-Tree. Orange, me say, you know.
What make?
Because Half-a-Tree, you know. What you say about that?
Yeah.
Half-a-Tree, me go, so I think of orange.
I want to catch squeeze your blood throat.
What color is the driver shirt?
Blue shirt driver, really. Blue. Me, I bus driver, that's what I say.
You're a bus driver, right? You pick up... Eh?
Conductor.
Alright, so you're a driver, right? You pick up 2 passengers in Old Habour,
Yeah.
2 in Spanish Town, and you drop 2 in Half-a-Tree. What color is the driver shirt?
How am I supposed to know that? I have no way to know that.
You're a driver, right? You pick up 2 passengers at Old Habour, 2 at Spanish Town, and you drop 2 at Half-a-Tree. What color is the driver shirt?
Pink.
Eh?
Pink.
What make you say that?
One man bump and then pink tight. Nice.
Jnel, I want to
Me a ball to God. Cause I know the people don't like the video. People, watch me, they are ball. Reach, you're saying that the video, and still don't like the video yet? Oh, you just like it. Yeah, man, big up yourself. Hold on. Yeah, peeps, and thanks for watching the next episode of The Questions, which is episode 7. You don't know, so watching over there in Old Habour. And as you guys can see the video, they have a vibe, like, it's full of vibe. I love Old Habour, I swear to God. You see me, so thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and also subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, JNL_1. Follow Ubuntu, BUHN_reaction. I don't know where I put out the work, so thank you guys for the support. You don't know the thing go. Yeah. Yeah, my general.